so here I am. I was in a weird mood today. Kind of wanted to do something dumb. So here I am. Going a place where this bike probably shouldn't go, but I don't know. People told me that I should get a supermoto or another dirt bike. Only problem is I'm not entirely convinced that this isn't a dirt bike yet, as you can see. Yeah, it'll work this way. Hope I don't pick up any nails or anything like that. That's a pothole. Ooh, that was close. What's up? Real dirt bikes. Watch there be like a group of people out here practicing. I'm like, who's this idiot that's showing up on a street bike? Alright. Oops. One thing I do have to worry about is I need to watch my temperature gauge. Ooh, that was glass. Haven't gone this way before. Ooh, wow. Yeah, I'm gonna go around that. Not trying to pick up a puncture today. 200 degrees. I miss doing that. Oop, that was silt. Ah, yeah, look at it all. Let's see, wonder if... Alright, so if I go that way, then I can get up to the spot that I like to take pictures at. Because I can't go the regular way because I'm pretty sure that I'll bottom out. Indy, why don't you get a supermoto? What's the fun in that? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I do wish that I had a supermoto. And a Harley. And a Ducati. And $1 million. And a mansion. The list goes on. Woo! Oop. Oh. What am I doing? This isn't even my turn. I'm gonna have to do a 32-point turn here. Or... no, it leads that way. I need to get my crap together. Whee! Oh. Is there a pathway through? Get out of neutral. There we go. Let's see. Go through all this. I don't see any sharp objects. Ball caps. I have an idea, guys. Let's get drunk and go shoot our shotguns. Yeah. Oh, that's actually glass. Oop. Oh, that's a rock.
so it doesn't roll backwards. And I'm gonna give it some time to cool down now. Oh yeah, where's that car at? I know there's a car. There it is. Hey guys, check it out. It's my brother's sister's girlfriend's ex-husband's car, and there's probably $1 million buried in it somewhere. Clickbait thumbnail. Oh, this is like a mountain bike path right here. I didn't even know this part was here. I'm usually on that hill over there, or that one. But man, this is sick. Man, that would suck to fall off the edge right there, though. Ain't no way you're gonna get back up. You're gonna have to walk all the way down to the Alfred Harrell Highway down there. And then climb a fence and then beg somebody for a ride. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. And the bike cooled down a little bit. But still kind of want to get out of here a little bit quickly. I don't want to get too hot too many times. Alright, how do I get out of here now? It's been a while since I've been here. I know both of those go down like really steep hills, and the one on the right has a lot of rocks on it. This one looks passable. Yeah, I can do this. It's all silt. Ooh. Oh yeah, no way. No way I'm doing that. Oh, apparently I could have just gone this way the whole time. Oh boy. Woo! Ooh, that one almost got away from me. Try that again. Part of me hopes I run into like actual dirt bike riders so that they can look at me and be like, "What are you doing, man?" Let's see. What if I can do this? Ooh. I don't want my front tire to lock up while I'm doing that. I know there's a figure 8 bowl around here somewhere. Problem is, I don't know if I can get into it, and if I could, I don't know if I could get back out again. I'll probably bottom out at the peak right there. Don't want to try it. Oh man. I don't know what's on the other side of that. Ooh. Let's see. What are the cool spots are there? Oh, radiator fan's kicked on. Just watch my temperature, see if they work decently. Why is that so fun? I don't understand. Oh, yeah, the cooling fans do work really well. Went from 220 back down to 208, so they are doing their job. I got nothing to worry about. Wait a minute, I think this might actually be the bowl. And if it is, I probably shouldn't launch my bike up that one because I know there's a drop immediately on the other side. What is that? What is this? People are throwing trash in my spot? Oh, this is gradual. Yeah, I would probably tip over as soon as I tried to do any wall riding. As much as I want to, I'm not going to risk it. Don't do that. That got bumpy. Yeah, my bike does not like the bumps. Too heavy, and the suspension is it's too hard. Do I want to leave? Yeah, I only got 2 bars of fuel left. I'm going. But first, let's see, will it stand? Look what I've created. Who needs a kickstand? It feels weird being on solid ground now. I should probably stop and make sure my tires are still holding air. Alright, let's take a look. Yeah, it's got air. There must have been a little rock or something under there. That's good. It's fine. Well, that was fun. Thank you for joining me on my stupid adventure, and I hope to be actually regularly uploading from now on. Try to do some more fun stuff, more dumb stuff in the dirt. I've got a friend that just got a dual sport, so he'll probably take me on adventures of his own, and that'll be a lot of fun. So, see y'all later. I didn't even hit the button.